Okay, kids. So, sixth grade, you are going to be doing two projects that have to do with color wheel. One is a screaming person, which we'll talk about an artist that plays on art. In other words, it kind of looks like one thing when it really means another. And then we are going to be doing a pizza style color wheel painting project. Okay? Both of these projects start the same way, so we're going to do them the same way at the same time. So, at your tables, you need the following items. In mind that you will be sharing with a neighbor. So you're going to need this paper, which should be in your folders, a tray of paint for two of you, a brush, paper towels, a bottle of water for two of you, a little bowl for two of you, and then there should be big bowls at your table. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you take the clean water and you're going to fill your little bowl, not even halfway. Okay. Now, if you look at your paint tray, you will see that you have red, yellow, and blue, which are our primaries, and then green, violet, and orange, which are our secondaries. Those are the only 6 colors we're going to be dealing with today, right? Because you'll be making the others later. You want to get yourself set up so that you do not spill the water or make a mess. As I said, we're going to be working on these at the same time. Okay, so what you want to do is go with your first color. All right, in my case, it's going to be red. I'm going to just get a nice brush full of red. I'm twisting my brush to keep it nice and pointed. And I'm going to look on this paper for the R, which stands for red. And I am going to very, very neatly paint my shape with the red paint. Notice how low my fingers are on the brush. Okay, it should be right on the metal part or right near it. Okay. So far, I've only loaded that brush once. Look how much paint I have used. I may not need to load it again. So no blobs or globs on here. Okay, brush out the paint as best as you can. The more you brush it out, the faster it will dry. Okay, that was one brush full of paint to do that. And then you are going to go ahead and pick one of these pizza slices, load up your brush again. So once you got your brush loaded with red, or whatever color you choose to use first, you're going to fill in one pizza slice as neat as you possibly can. Brush the paint out so it dries faster and you don't get any blobs or globs. It's very important. And there you have it. Okay. Now, once you've got your first color done, make sure you go to that little cup of water you got, put your brush in there, roll it around, push it against the bottom. Try not to smash it too much. and make sure dry it off real well, and you check to make sure that it's clean. Right now I'm a little worried that it's probably not clean, so I'm going to get a little bit more water on it. Do it again. It's nice and dry and ready to go. Take your dirty water, dump it in the big bowl, get some new stuff carefully without spilling it everywhere, and move on to your next color. So today we're going to be doing 6 colors. So make sure you put them in the right place, especially on this paper. This one, it doesn't matter where you put it. Okay? So you have blue here, you have green, you have yellow. You just look at the letters: orange, red, and violet, otherwise known as purple. Okay? Have fun with your painting.